Hello friends, how is everyone? I hope you are all doing very well. So friends, we have come with our new video content today. Today's new content of our video is going to be how to fix brightness on Android phone. Alright, so let's start the video without delay. First, you all need to go to your settings. Go to settings. After scrolling a bit, you will find an option called display and brightness. You need to click on display and brightness. After doing that, you will be able to see your brightness here. You can increase or decrease it from here. Alright, you can also enable auto brightness here. Alright, in auto brightness, see that our brightness symbol will increase and adjust. If you want to fix it, many of you have auto brightness on. To fix this, you need to turn off your auto brightness. Since you've turned it off, whatever brightness you set will remain fixed. Okay, you can also turn on eye protection mode. Okay, if you have any issues with eye protection, you can turn it on. Alright, if you enable the dark theme, many do not have the dark theme mode on. What does enabling dark theme mode do? It is very convenient for your eyes. Alright, so here you can keep your brightness fixed like this. Okay, here you can turn on the auto brightness and you can also turn it off. It's up to you how you want to keep it. If you want to fix it, if you want to keep the brightness fixed, then you should turn off this auto brightness. So friends, if you liked our video, please like, subscribe and share the channel.